Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to this short live that we are here. I tried to start with a two device. I failed. I had now to get back to my original plan, which is to start here. So catch me every Tuesday, every Wednesday, Thursday, and then also on Friday. I will be coming up here just for 10 minutes in the morning and to talk about these four pillars that will change your life or make you to have your best life in 2024 and beyond. So I'm gonna go straight to the point because I want this to be less than 10 minutes so that I can be able to upload it. Also for those that missed the live session, they can be able to catch the replay on my TikTok and also on Facebook. So I will be straight to the point and we're gonna be here not more than 10 minutes. We're already about a minute now. So we are going to finish. So now, today I'm going to speak about one pillar that if you focus on those one pillar, which is the most important of the four pillars that I'm going to talk about in these 4 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Today I'm going to talk about the first pillar that is the most critical, the most important one for you to make it in the year 2024 and beyond, for you to be able to live your best life. So what is this pillar? This pillar that we are going to talk about today, it is the pillar in your spiritual life. The pillar in your spiritual life, which is your relationship with your creator. Your relationship with your creator. If you look at the cross, there are two beams there. There is the vertical beam and there's a horizontal beam. So today we talk about the vertical one, which is your relationship with the creator, the almighty. So now, if you focus on this part where you need to have your time, you need to have your time with your God. Why am I saying this is important? Because remember, you are living today because of God who allowed you to be alive. And he knows what is the purpose for you to be alive today. So if you don't connect with that purpose, if you do not know why are you still living, you might live your whole life and you still feel unfulfilled. You still feel that you are still empty, even though you are doing so much. So that is why it is very important for you to connect with your creator, because once that happens, and don't take me wrong, I'm not saying connect with the church, because there are many people that try to associate their relationship with God by how much they are going to the church. That is not that. The relationship with God is a daily commitment. It's a daily, when you wake up, first thing you think about it is, to say thanks God, I'm still alive. So that is what I'm talking about. So if you invest more time in that, you understand who you are before God. You understand why are you still here. That purpose is the one that will determine a destination. It will tell you, the purpose will tell you where do you want to go or where must you go. Then once you know where must you go, that will give you the direction, will determine the direction of your life. Which friends must you have? Who must go with you? Because if you don't know where you must go or you don't know the destination, and you will not go to the right direction, you might find yourself going in circles because you do not know, taking always input from everybody else but without you, or accept your own one. So you need to know, even if you ask advice from other people, but you need to know, fully aware, to say, why am I still here? What is my purpose? Is it just to go to work? Is it just to wake up and feed my family? What is the purpose? Is it to sit back? Because I said to someone during the week, I said, listen, the government does not owe you anything. So many people, they sit back and say, no, I'm waiting for the government to provide me with a job. Listen, God, when he created mankind, there was no government. When God created mankind, he said, let the man to rule. He said, let the man to multiply and have dominion over everything. So over everything, that excludes God only, because it means everything else that it is here, everything that is here on earth, men supposed to dominate. But what is happening today? Man, it is being dominated. I was watching a video yesterday. There's someone who was killed badly here in Bloemfontein. I think they said it was on Sunday evening. Very bad, shot about 5 times on the head, and it was on video. That was done by human being. The same human being that God said, let them rule, they are killing each other, destroying each other, because the purpose is lost. Because once you lose the purpose, they say, where the purpose is unclear, abuse is inevitable. Where you do not know the purpose, then you are going to abuse whatever that you are doing. That's why if the drug lands in the hands of the doctor, it is good, because it can help someone to recover from whatever ailment. But if the drug lands in the hands of someone that is sitting on the street, they smoke it, and that is called abuse. So now, this is what you need to do in your life. Today, I said we're going to focus on the first one, spiritual. Get your connection with God correctly. Remember, in the past, they used to say, when you are watching the TV and if the screen is not clear, they will say, check the antenna. So you need to check your antenna with God. Check your antenna. Are you getting the correct signal? Because if the signal, it is not clear, it is not good, that signal that you're supposed to receive from God, who is inspiring you? Who is giving you the strength? Who is giving you the energy every day? Who are you afraid of? Because once you know your God, you know who is ruling over your life. You are not afraid of any man. You can even stand before the president and tell him the truth. But many people today, they live a life of a lie. They can't even speak the truth because they are afraid. If I speak the truth, I'm going to lose my job. So listen to me. Even if you lie, that is actually you are killing yourself, or you are drinking a poison and you wish that your enemy will die. Speak the truth, Mdagawa. No matter how painful it is going to be, no matter what it's going to cost you, yes, you might be like me and find yourself one day not working because you are speaking the truth. But that is good. That is good. My career in the military of 20 years was flushed out because I was doing too good. And people said, no, we need to get this guy out. And they didn't know the purpose of my life. So they thought when they take me out there, I am going to be stopping. But I'm more happy than I was when I was still working there. Because now I can live my life to the fullest with no one to hold me back and say, hey, Naftaly, you are doing too much. No, I can live my life the way God wants me to live. So today I want to say to you in summary, to know what is the purpose of your life. Once you understand your purpose, that purpose will give you the direction or give you the destination. You know the purpose, it will give you the destination. Once you know the destination where you want to go, you are in Bloemfontein, you want to go to Johannesburg, it means you must take N1 north. Once you know that, no, I need to go to the north, then that is called direction. Then you will be able also, once you know the direction to take, and then that will determine, when you look at the distance, it will also determine your speed. How soon do you want to get there? Then that will determine the mode of transport that you need to use to get there. So ladies and gentlemen, that is why this coming Saturday I will be in Botshabelo. We are launching a great movement. We are launching a great movement to eradicate poverty in South Africa and Africa and all over the globe. So if you are in the area of Botshabelo, please reach out. We're going to be at F section just next to Roman Catholic Church. We're going to be there. We start at 2 p.m. We are going to be teaching people how to overcome or how to come out of poverty in these 4 areas that we are going to talk about. We already touched today spiritual life. We're going to touch tomorrow the next topic. On Thursday, we're going to touch the 3rd one. And on Friday, it will be the 4th one. So please don't miss. This will also be uploaded on my TikTok and also on my Facebook for those that has missed the live session. But I wish you could have it live so that you can be having time actually even to ask questions if there are any. So, but for today, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for connecting with me. Please follow and like my channel because we're going to have a lot of content that is coming here. For now, the content will be for free. But later on, we might be having to charge for this content because it takes a lot of effort for us to make this. For us to make it better, we need to have better resources. You see, my laptop could not hold on, so we need better equipment for us to be able to provide you with the best. So if you check on my profile, there is also a subscription there. If you could subscribe to my channel, I will appreciate, because it will help me to be able to provide you with the best service, for you to be able to get everything that I have to offer, and you will get it just with that minimum contribution every month, for you